I am fresh out the shower. I had the microfiber towel on for a little bit, so my hair is pretty dry, as you guys can see. But I noticed that my hair was already dry in the shower, so that mask from Marc Anthony didn't really do anything for me. So I'm going to be using a couple things today. I'm going to be re-dampening or re-wetting my hair. And then I'm going to use the same leave-in conditioner that I always use. I don't think that I'll ever use any other one. And it's Miss Jessie's leave-in conditioner. The best darn leave-in conditioner, period. Then I'm also going to apply this mask. This is the mask that I leave in my hair. But when I'm leaving it in my hair, I don't apply the same amount that I do when I'm just leaving it in my hair as a mask to wash it out, because I'm not going to wash it out. I'm just going to apply a little bit, and it'll mainly be from like mid-shaft down. And then today we're going to be trying a new product. I keep hearing about it, I keep seeing it all over Instagram, just all these other advertisements. But it's the Honey Baby Naturals. And I got the Honey Shea Butter Hair Smoothie. So I'm hoping with how dry my hair is right now, especially with this harsh winter, that this will do something. And I'm not going to really do anything else on top of this. The only thing that I'm going to follow up with, and just on the ends, again, mainly to seal the curls and avoid them from getting frizzy right away, I'm going to follow up with the Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. I'm just going to part my hair. Start with like the bottom chunk. I shouldn't even call it a chunk because it's not even like it's a lot. But this piece down here. I'm going to start wetting that, applying some leave-in. And I'm going to do everything all at the same time. The only thing I'm going to leave for last is applying the gel, because I kind of just do that over everything. And my nail broke right here. Now it's getting caught on everything. So I think I'm going to have to cut it off, which is going to make me really sad. Because it's going to get caught in everything. And it's going to pull every single hair. Or I could put a band-aid. Nah, I think I'm just going to cut it. I'm sorry. This will ruin a hair. This will ruin a curl. It'll grab it and like just completely undo it. It's so gross. Okay, so here we go. I feel like I need more light in here. Let's see if I can get some natural light. Is that better? Not really, because now it's just coming from there. Oh well. So now I'm going to go ahead and follow in with the Honey Baby Naturals. Oh, you know what I forgot? I said I was going to do the leave-in mask from WearYourCurls, the Melt Into Moisture. I think I'll be okay with that leave-in conditioner from Miss Jessie's. It feels extra soft, so I think I'll be okay. And this is supposed to be super moisturizing, so I'm gonna do it without this time. Anyway, so it looks really thick. It's not as thick as it looks as far as the consistency. Let me see how it feels going on. It goes on pretty. It feels like lotion, like just putting lotion in your hair. I'm a little worried that it's not gonna hold my curl, because it feels like extra soft once it's on, but I could be wrong. And if anything, we'll just have the fluffier look today, more natural look, which means just more frizz, and it'll be bigger and fluffier, and that's okay. I don't mind that. I embrace the frizz, as long as it's not like crazy. So they're definitely gonna need gel on the ends, and I'm probably gonna do it now instead of at the end. So basically everything I told you guys I was gonna do, I did not do. I'm gonna take a little bit more like this. I'm gonna apply it like right here, and then right underneath. It's interesting how it feels going on. My hair is definitely absorbing it, but at the same time it just feels like I don't have enough product in my hair. But then, like, I can see how each curl is forming, and okay. I keep feeling like I need more. I don't know. Maybe I'll do just a little bit more, like this. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mielle gel now, just because I'm a little bit unsure about about whether it's gonna like frizz my hair or not, like if it's enough as far as the hold. So I'm just applying gel from like mid-shaft down. I don't scrunch because my hair will curl enough, but sometimes I will do this, and it's not so much to scrunch it, it's more to like squeeze the product in there, if that makes sense. This part I always do forward to have more volume. And I always did it to have more volume, but if you've ever watched Chelly's Curls videos, she mentioned that she also does this to let her hair part naturally, and that I also like as well. Just kind of, I mean, still it usually ends up going that way, but I kind of like to see how my hair is gonna part. And that's why when I'm in the shower washing my hair and untangling it, I do the same thing. I do it going forward. I don't split it down the middle, because I do want to see where the hair wants to naturally part and let it be. I give my hair quite a bit of freedom.
Every other day, I don't know why I'm hesitating. I just turned 27.
parting in the middle, so I think I'm gonna let it. Alright, and that's it. So there you have it. Hair is done. Now I'm gonna diffuse. These are my results. It just feels very light. Even as I was putting it on, I could tell like some of the curls were staying longer, which I like. So I feel like it doesn't activate the curls. It's just more of a moisturizer over it. So if you are looking for something to activate, make your hair extra curly, I don't know, this would be it. This is just for your own natural curls, and I love it. It's very fluffy. This is really big hair. Oh my gosh, all I had to do was like flip it over. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Here's volume, y'all. If volume is what you want, flip it over and then use Honey Baby Naturals. Holy crap, it's so fluffy. Scoop this behind my ear like so. Oh, this cute little curl. This is what I'll do throughout the day to my hair to just kind of make sure the shape stays. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. I like this.